10 years after the U.S. Supreme Court ruled in favor of same-sex marriage across the United States, the issue could return to the nation's highest court. Our Tamala Edwards is here to break it all down. Tam, bring us up to date.
Well, Sarah, this is all true. In a few weeks, the Supreme Court, like the rest of us, will say goodbye to summer break. They'll come together and gather and decide which cases are they going to take up this fall. And there's a chance they could revisit and perhaps overturn same-sex marriage. Now, you may remember the name Kim Davis. She was a county clerk in Kentucky who denied a gay couple a wedding license. She was jailed for 6 days. In 2015, she ended up paying $360,000 in damages and legal fees. Now, a decade later, she is back. Technically, she's arguing that her First Amendment religious rights were violated and that she should not have been liable. But the big headline is that she's going beyond that. She's going to the Supreme Court with a challenge to Obergefell v. Hodges. That's that landmark 2015 case upholding same-sex marriage under the 14th Amendment. So, of course, the big question, will the court take this case? Chief Justice John Roberts did dissent in Obergefell, while Justice Clarence Thomas has made it very clear in his rulings that he wants this ruling overturned. But experts think other conservative justices like Brett Kavanaugh, Amy Coney Barrett, and perhaps Neil Gorsuch don't want to pick this up. Not necessarily so much on the merit as on the process. They want this hashed out in the lower courts, not brought straight to their door. Now, that said, we are in interesting times. There could be a surprise decision and ultimately a surprise outcome.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hard to believe we're back here again.
Yeah, as it was with Roe v. Wade, that one came as a surprise, and it was in that ruling that they talked about perhaps overturning Obergefell as well. All eyes will be watching this one. Tam, thank you.